off we go. Good morning folks, welcome back to my channel again. This is Aryan Rajesh. Today is day 3 and we were in Valparai from 2 days. I came on Tuesday, so today is Thursday. I'm exiting Valparai now, heading towards Athirappilly Waterfalls. I'll see Athirappilly Waterfalls. From there I'll go to Varkala in Kerala. So that's the plan. I have to settle up some money here, hotel money, and I'll continue my ride. Okay, we have cleared the hotel bills and I've started. Athirappilly Waterfalls is 79 kilometers. On the way there is Sholayar Dam also. If they allow so early, I'll visit that. Morning blues are out. Nice sunrise is happening. Nice quiet city. No one is up yet. It's freezing cold. Why I'm leaving so early? Because I have to see Athirappilly Falls when there is no crowd. So post 9-10 o'clock crowd starts to set in. We have to take a right here. You can see on the board Sholayar Dam 23, Athirappilly 76, Chalakudi 107. Some of my friends told this route from Valparai to Athirappilly is like super scenic and it's filled with lot of twisties. Sholayar Dam, they have put up a nice board, 21 kilometers. I'll better wear my gloves here. Just see this road here. They maintained it so well, and the road passing through all the tea plantation is superb. There is a small stream which is going on here. Bliss, early morning you should ride in this kind of tea plantations. The landscape will be totally different than in daytime. I just don't want to speak anything. I'm like silently observing the landscapes. Stand more, and in few kilometers we'll be approaching Kerala border also. I don't know what new rules they've imposed. Hopefully they should leave me. Guys, just see this part. This place is unreal actually. It is so perfect. Just see, and the sunrays are over there. So the mountain back of me is covering most of the part. Hardly I see anyone in this road. Like 10-15 minutes there is one bike or one car which is going on the opposite direction. All I am doing is crossing mountains, zigzag. To my left there is some backwaters. I think this connects to Sholayar Dam backwaters, I guess. Finally the sun. It feels so good to have this warmth in this freezing cold. Easily it would be around 10 degrees, I guess. And I have to stop for tea also. I'll cross the border and then stop. In Kerala we'll get a special tea called Kattan Chaya. Kattan Chaya is like black coffee of tea. Usually in place of coffee they mix tea powder. They boil it properly. Correct me if I'm wrong. Guys, I can see Sholayar Dam there, and this is backwaters of Sholayar. Superb clean blue waters, and we have a dog also here. He was standing here. I don't know what he was staring at. With the sunrise and all, the water, the reflection of the water is like proper blue. Guys, just see this. This is the dam, Sholayar Dam. It's massive here. I think this is what it connects Tamil Nadu and Kerala part. Government of Tamil Nadu Public Works. Of course we are not allowed to go inside and all. Whoa, just another viewpoint. This is more than enough. I think they would have opened the dam gates. It would have been superb. It's huge here. Nice. Guys, we are in Kerala now. There was a border there. You can see the checkpost here. Malakapara Forest checkpost. No one is stopping. I see a lot of tourist vehicles also. There is some kind of camera also on the top. Just imagine how Kerala State Police are on surveillance. They have a camera here to track who is going in and out, suspicious people. I am crossing a small village, Malakapara village, I guess. Malakapara Jumma Masjid. Roads are very bad since I entered Kerala. Till Tamil Nadu you would have seen in the videos. Now there is on and off tarmac and bad patches. I think most of the women, they work at the tea plantation. You can see here in front. That is how they are. So they'll have a bag, a big gunny bag kind of a thing to their back. Let's continue. Athirappally is around 50 kilometers from here. So we have done around 30 till now from my hotel. 30 kilometers done in almost 40 minutes. You can't really maintain the pace in this weather conditions. Okay. That was the entry I made. He just took the bike number, name. I thought he'll ask me for any COVID report or anything. Nothing. No checking as of such. He didn't check the bags also. That is Kerala Forest Department, Central Circle, Thrissur it seems. Okay, this all comes under Thrissur, I guess. Right side there is a water body. GPS has gone haywire. It is showing I am on that inside forest somewhere. It is not able to pick up the signal also. The forest is so deep here. Hope there is no elephants or leopards crossing suddenly. If I see anything, I'll just rip open the throttle and just go away. Thing is, the roads are like very bad and there are twisties also. You can't go fast. But no one is around. It's 8 o'clock and just see sun rays hardly touches the ground here to this side of the forest. This is all Kerala territory. Malakappara, Vazhachal, Athirappally. These guys, they drive crazily in this ghat sections. It's very difficult to overtake them. Plus there won't be a straight patch also. Some movie shooting. Vazhachal bridge. Here we go. Guys, we almost reached another 2 kilometers to Athirappally Waterfalls, and left side you can see the river already flowing. There are cars piled up from here itself. Walking towards Athirappally main entrance, it's somewhere there. To get the lower part of the falls, you have to hike down.